Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and I'm here in County Durham, Chesterley Street to show you this modern, fully renovated home. Some say bungalow, I say single level living. This stunning, newly fitted kitchen has two-tone shaker units, stylish ironmongery and quality integrated Bosch appliances. I love this double unit which reveals this pantry behind. The great thing about this house is it can be what you want. This utility doubles up perfectly as a sunroom. Throughout the property you have large windows, which is typical of the period this home was constructed. Nowadays, properties have small windows. Who wants that? This gorgeous oversized bathroom has a walk-in rainfall shower down one end and a freestanding bath down the other. Elsewhere there are 3 double bedrooms, all bright with big windows and beautifully decorated. The great thing about this home is you don't have to have them as bedrooms because it is all on one level. They can be whatever you want, a dining room, a home office or a playroom. This is the beauty of single level living. Have I converted you? Until next time.